Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming power. A weak battery prevents pairing, so replace it now if needed. Once done, open Windows settings and enable Bluetooth so the laptop can see new devices. Next, put the Surface Pen into pairing mode by holding the top button until the LED flashes. This is the signal Windows listens for. Make sure you're near the laptop and no other Bluetooth devices are actively pairing, because interference can block discovery and slow the process. Now in Settings, select Add Device, choose Bluetooth, and pick Surface Pen from the available list. That action tells Windows to create a secure connection. When Windows confirms pairing, it registers the pen so clicks and inking communicate reliably. After pairing, open the Surface app or Bluetooth settings to verify battery level and whether a firmware update is suggested. Updates fix responsiveness and button mappings. If customization is needed, configure button behavior and pen pressure in the Surface app to match how you like to work. Finish by testing the pen in a Note app. Draw lines, press harder for thicker strokes, and use shortcut buttons to confirm actions. This verifies both hardware and driver behavior. If stroke alignment is off, calibrate or adjust pen settings in the Surface app and Windows Ink to improve accuracy. If things go wrong, try a quick restart of Bluetooth or the laptop, replace the battery, and if necessary, remove the device and repeat pairing. That single troubleshooting step resolves.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.